Portion for EVS 1 subject. Chapter number 9, Air. Chapter number 10, Cloth. Chapter number 15, My District and My Street. Then, chapter number 16, Day and Night. 19, My Delightful School. Chapter number 22, Transport and Communication. Hello students, we are meeting after our Christmas vacations, and before that we have completed our all EVS 1 and EVS 2 portions for the second unit test. So here is the portion for the second unit test for EVS 1 subject. EVS 1, chapter number 9, 10, 15, 16, 19 and 22. Yes, so chapter number 9 is Air, 10 is Cloth, 15 is My District, My State. Chapter number 16, Day and Night. Chapter number 19, My Delightful School. And chapter number 22, Transport and Communication. Study session with chapter number 9, Air. There is air till a height of about 50 kilometers from the earth. The air at a greater height from the earth is rarer than the air nearer to the earth. If all the air were divided into 5 equal parts, the oxygen in the air would be equal to 1/5 part. There is air even in an empty container. We must not burn the wood from the environment. Air is mixture of several gases. Our next chapter is chapter number 10, Cloth. Long threads are woven together to make cloth. Interweaving thread together is called weaving. Cotton cloth is made of cotton. Number 4. Nylon and rayon are made of tar-like material. Handloom and power looms are used to weave cloth on large scale. Next chapter, number 15, My District and My Street. Dash has an effect on agriculture. Rainfall. Raigad district always receive dash rainfall. Heavy rainfall. Dash is the second capital of Maharashtra, Nagpur. The Dash river is the longest river in Maharashtra, Godavari. The highest peak in the Satpura mountain is Stambh. The Sahyadri mountain are also called as Western Ghat. Dash is the Sahyadri mountain. Dash in the Sahyadri mountain is the highest peak in Maharashtra, that is Kalsubai. Chapter number 16, Day and Night. The sun appearing in the sky in the morning is called sunrise. The disappearance of the sun from the sky in the evening is called sunset. The rotation of the earth around the sun is called revolution. When the nights are longer and days are shorter, it is winter. When days are longer and nights are shorter, it is summer. From March 22 till 21 June, our days become longer and night become shorter. Chapter number 19, My Delightful School. If we help one another, we can succeed in anything. Every child must get the joy of learning in school. When we respect, dash and help one another, we enjoy being in our school. All children with special need have a right to education. The Dash has provided facilities for the education of girl, that is government. The government has provided facilities for the education of girls. We make many friends in school. The day when uniform is not compulsory, the classroom become colorful. Chapter number 22, Transport and Communication. Dash is the means of communication. Newspaper. Dash is a means of transport. Aeroplane. Students, you can write any means of transport over here. Dash is the modern means of transport, that is train. Dash is the transmitted form of entertainment, that is radio. Obtaining and sending messages or information is called communication. True or false? Internet is a means of mass communication. True. Street play is a transmitted form of entertainment. False. In the beginning, man used gesture and facial expression to communicate. It is true. In school, we come to know about the diversity in our country. True. Girls too have right to education. True. Children with special needs cannot be admitted to school. It is false. Students, children with special need also can be admitted to school. Students in the class must understand one another. True. Chapter number 16, Day and Night. Number of hours in the day and night on March 22 are equal. It is true. On June 21st, the day is the longest and night is the shortest. It is true. In our part of the earth, on December 22, the day is the longest and the night is the shortest. False. On September 22, the length of the day and night are unequal. It is false. In summer, the days are longer and nights are shorter. True. Students, these are the extra. Okay, extra. True, false. The Sahyadri mountain is in the eastern part of Maharashtra. False. Astamba is the highest peak in Maharashtra. False. Pulp of the paper cannot be reused for anything. False. We can make quilt from torn clothes. True. Detergent powder is a natural substance. False. The atmosphere of the earth is made up of air. True. Air at a great height is rare. True. Layer of air near the earth's surface are closely packed. True. Answer in one word. Which gas is present in soda water? Carbon dioxide. Which constituent of air help in burning? Oxygen. What get mixed with the air when water boils? Water vapor. What contain poisonous gases and particles? Smoke. What is used to weave cloth? What is used to weave cloth? Handloom and power loom. What do we need for knitting sweater and muffler? Knitting needles. Which river in eastern Maharashtra flows from north to the south? Wainganga. When was the Maharashtra state formed? 1st May 19 60. What does the government do for the children with special need? Implement many schemes. What means of communication do you use to watch a cartoon film? Television. What is a textbook used for? Textbook is used for communication. Which animal is used for transport in the desert? Camel. What is used for transport in mountain region? Palanquin or dolly. What is used to transport liquid substance? Pipeline. Who delivers letter and parcel? Postman. Which is the highest peak in Maharashtra? Kalsubai. In which region of Maharashtra mangoes are largely grown? Coastal region. Which is the state language of Maharashtra? Marathi. Which type of agriculture mostly depend on rain? Jirayati agriculture. Which agriculture season falls on winter? Rabi season. Which crop is grown in the area of medium rainfall? Soya bean. Answer in one sentence. What is atmosphere? A covering of air all around the earth is called atmosphere. What is produced by burning of stove in the kitchen? Smoke is produced by burning stove in the kitchen. What happens when an empty glass is inverted over a burning candle? What happens? The candle goes out. Yes? Next. What message did Gandhiji gives through the use of spinning wheel? He gave message of using only Swadeshi good. On what factors does the production of crop depends? On what factor does the production of crop depends? Production of crop depends on the factor such as climate, soil and availability of water. From where does the earth get light? The earth gets light from the sun. When do we say that it is night time? We say that it is night time when we do not get light from the sun. What is the rotation of the earth? Spinning of the earth around itself is known as rotation of the earth. Why does the cycle of day and night goes on without stopping? The cycle of day and night goes on without stopping because of the earth's rotation. Why has everyone different need? Everyone has different need because of diversity. What was the benefit of invention of a wheel? Invention of a wheel saved time and effort of man. How does learning take place in a classroom? Learning takes place in a classroom in a common language. How do we enjoy being in school? How do we enjoy being in school? By respecting diversity and helping each other, we enjoy being school. What is a textbook used for? A textbook is used for communication. So students, what is the use of textbook? It is used for communication. Give reason. Why do birds return to the nest earlier in the winter than in summer? The sun set earlier in winter and late in summer. As sun set earlier in winter, it get dark is earlier. It get dark earlier. Therefore, the birds return to their nest earlier in winter than in summer. Why do many girls lag behind in school or even leave it? Because they are expected to carry out household courses. Why should education of girls not stop for any reason? The education of girls should not stop for any reason because they too have right to joy of learning. Which substances are transported through pipeline? Substances such as water, natural gases, mineral oil, crude oil, etc. are transported through pipelines. What is used to transport liquid substance? Pipelines are used to transport liquid substances. What should we do in order to help one another? We must understand our mutual needs and difficulty in order to help one another. Which is the second capital of Maharashtra? Nagpur is the second capital of Maharashtra. Why is the invention of wheel an important step in the progress of mankind? Because it saves our time and efforts. So students, I have completed my EVS 1 topic.